Hello, today we're going to unbox and assemble the Zoomy Leisure Kids Maxi scooter. So here's the box that you'll receive in the post. Okay. Now we'll notice that this one has a blue handle on it. Okay, so the color of the handle designates the color of the scooter that's inside. So in this case we ordered a blue scooter, so we received a box with a blue handle. Likewise, if we ordered a pink scooter, we'd have a handle that's pink. So let's start by opening the box. Okay. You can see inside the box here, there's our scooter wrapped in bubble wrap as well as protected with styrofoam. That way it doesn't get damaged while it's shipping. Let's pull the booklet out. Okay. Also inside the box we have, in this little Ziploc bag, a product manual, okay, that gives you some further instructions to assemble as well as to maintain your scooter. So please have a read of this. And also inside this bag, there's a couple of handy Allen keys for helping you maintain your scooter if needed. Okay. Just pull off the styrofoam. Pull off the bubble wrap. And there's our scooter. And at this stage, it's pretty much ready to go. Okay, just a couple of things we need to do. First is unfold the scooter. So to unfold it, what we have to do is grab this part here, slide it up, and then once it's up, unfold the scooter and push it so that the handlebars lock in place. You heard that click. That means it's locked in place, so it's not going anywhere. Okay. The next thing to do is to adjust the height of the handlebars to suit your child. Okay, so there's two things to do to adjust the height. The first is open this quick release clamp, and then the second is to pull the handlebars up. Now along the back here there's a series of drilled holes and there's a button. The button locks in place to set the height of the scooter. Okay, so once we've got a height that we're comfortable with, we lock the quick release clamp. Now that's probably not tight enough, so we'll grab one of those Allen keys and we'll tighten this a little bit, and then we'll close the clamp again, and now everything's snug in place. A couple of things we want to look at. First of all, we want to make sure the wheels light up. Yes, they do. That's great. Okay. Now a lot of our customers ask questions about how we steer the scooter. Some people expect you to be able to turn the handlebars and turn the scooter, but that's not the case. The way these things work is you lean in the direction you want to steer. So you see here I'm leaning to the left and the scooter wheels are turning to the left. So this way when the child is riding the scooter will steer in the direction they lean. It's actually something that's quite easy for a child to get used to. Okay, so that just about does it. If you have any questions, you can always contact us by email at info@zoomy.com.au, and we'll do our best to help out. Thank you very much.